Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making a strawberry cream cake. I wanted to bring this cake to you a little bit earlier, but I'm just getting around to editing the video. But May 1st was my birthday, and this is the cake that I decided to make for myself. I hope y'all enjoy this video, and welcome to Baby We Eats. For our ingredients, we have egg yolks, sugar, salt, milk, oil, vanilla extract, cake flour, egg whites, strawberries, strawberry jelly or jam, heavy cream, sugar, and some more fresh strawberries. We're going to start preparing our cake pans, and we're going to line the bottom of our two 8-inch round cake pans. You want to preheat your oven to 300 degrees. And you want to prepare hot, simmering water. You also want to shift your cake flour. We're going to start with our egg yolks. Our sugar. And our salt in a large bowl. We're going to whisk our egg yolk until they start to look pale. By doing this, the yolks can hold more air inside. So we've been whisking our egg yolks and it's starting to look pale. And this is the color that you're looking for here. This is a pale color. So now we're going to move on to the next step. We're going to add our vanilla and we're going to mix that in. And now we're going to add in our milk and we're just going to mix that in. And next we're going to add in our oil. Once you are done mixing that, we're going to add our shifted cake flour. And you want to mix it until it is very smooth. This ensures that it is no lumps of flour to make a silky chiffon cake. So next we're going to move on. After we have mixed in our cake flour, we're going to move on to whipping our egg whites. We're going to whisk our egg whites and our sugar together until they are very fluffy. It's going to look like foam shampoo at first. It's going to be bubbly and then it starts to foam up. You want to whip it until the tip curls up when you lift your whisk up. We're going to mix in our egg whites. And what you want to do, you want to fold it in. Here I'm using a spatula. You could use a whisk, but to me a spatula is more easier. You want to add half of your egg whites first, and then you want to mix that up, and then you want to add the rest of your egg whites. You want to continue to fold that in. You want to try not to over mix it. Next, we're going to pour our cake batter into our prepared pans. Now here I'm going to take a toothpick. I'm going to swirl the surface with the toothpick and toss the pans several times to eliminate some bigger air bubbles. You're going to have some small ones, but we're trying to eliminate the big ones. You want to pour your hot water into 2 10-inch cake pans or any other cake pans that you have that are bigger than your 8-inch cake pans. You want to put your cake pans into the pans with the water. You want to bake them at 300 degrees with a water bath for 25 to 30 minutes until the top of the cake bounces back gently. Now we're going to move on to making our whipped topping. Here we're going to add our heavy whipping cream and we're going to add our sugar. We're going to whip this until it reaches its soft peak. It should be fluffy, but has a nice softness to it. Next, we're going to move on with assembling our cake. Here I'm putting down my first layer. Now I'm just going to pipe some whipped cream around my cake and I'm going to add my strawberry filling. I made this strawberry filling a day ago. I like a little bit of soft strawberries with mine. And then I added some fresh strawberries on the top also. And here I'm just adding some more whipped topping around to ensure that my strawberries stay inside my cake when icing. So I'm going to add my top layer. And here I'm just adding whipped cream around the side of it because I'm going to smooth it out. So we're adding our whipped cream around the sides. I'm going to take a scraper and I'm going to lightly smooth the sides around the cake. You just want to do that gently. You don't want to do it too hard. And we're going to smooth the sides out in the top. Now I'm going to pipe some more rosettes on the top of my cake and on the side of my cake. And I'm just going to add some fresh strawberries, some whole fresh strawberries on the top of my cake. You can add some rosettes and you could dip your strawberries into some strawberry jam to coat your strawberries. I did cut some whole strawberries in half, and I placed them on the sides of the cake. And I also piped some rosettes on the side of the cake. So here is our strawberry cream cake. This cake turned out to be like a chiffon cake. I didn't want anything too sweet. The strawberries balanced it off with the whipped cream. If you don't like a lot of sweetness, this is a perfect cake for you. So today we made a strawberry cream cake. So if you enjoy this video and you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and also like, comment, and share. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats.